In this video, we are going to solve question number first of exercise number 12.1. Find the equation of circle whose center is -2, 3 and radius is 4. Now, according to question, center is h, k, which is -2, 3 and radius is r, which is 4 unit. Now, the equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now, putting the values of h, k and r in the equation, then we will get x minus -2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 4 square. After solving this, we will get x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 16. Now here we are using a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is the formula of a minus b whole square. Now after solving this, we will get the equation which is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. Thus, required equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0.